Today's video we are going to be unboxing the August BirchBox. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing great today. Today's video, like I said, we are going to be unboxing the August BirchBox. So this is definitely the August BirchBox because I was sent an email from BirchBox saying, yep, we've posted the August box to you. I originally thought that box was the box that I last did a video on not long ago, but no, I actually got another box through the post. So yeah, this is the August box. So we're going to open it up and see what is what. If you are interested in subscribing to this, I will link it down below for you. So here is a little sneak peek inside the box. So yeah, here is the edit card, and it does say there, yeah, this is the August box. And on the back it has information on the products in there, which is great. And yeah, there is a little sneak peek. But let's get digging through here to see exactly what we've got. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And yeah, if you like this video, which I kind of hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right, so looking back at the edit card, it does only have 3 of the products on there. So I've just scanned the QR code. I've just nearly put myself in the eye with that there. I've just scanned the QR code, and yeah, I have the digital edit card. So yeah, thank God we do have information on the products. So the first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Green Frog Botanic, and it's Argan and Rose Oil Shampoo Bar. It doesn't have prices of the products on the card. I didn't think it did on the last one either, did it? I can't remember. Oh, did it? My memory is so bad. But it just says everything you love about a liquid shampoo without the plastic bottle. Easy to use and travel friendly. This solid shampoo bar made with natural ingredients like argan and cocoa butter that work to cleanse, nourish and deeply hydrate the hair. How to use it: wet your hair, swirl the shampoo bar in your hands or over your hair to create a lather, massage into your hair and rinse. Yeah, cool. What would have been even better is if they give away a second bar and it was a conditioning bar, so we had a shampoo and conditioner. As you're probably aware if you're a regular watcher of my channel, I love matching sets. I really do. But yeah, I think, have I had one of these before? Possibly. It might be in my stash if I do have something like this. But yeah, I will definitely give it a try and see if it is any good. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Sunday Riley, and it's Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment. With the help of tiny glycolic acid molecules, this treatment works to break apart pore clogging debris, repair the look of sun-damaged, congested, wrinkled or dull skin. Balanced with fermented prickly pear extract, this treatment is kind to sensitive skin too. So how to use it: you apply to clean skin as an exfoliating serum morning or night. I love Sunday Riley. I'm sure I've had this before and I think I quite liked it, to be honest. So quite happy to get another one. Yes, it's just small, but I actually don't mind with the number of products that are in this box, so stay tuned and we'll get to the rest of the products. The third item in the box is this. So this is by the brand Lock, and it's Liquid Shimmer Shadow. So you're either going to get the shade Eclipse or Rose Gold. This liquid shimmer eyeshadow provides a subtle hint of colour and shine that can be layered for a bolder look. The water-based formula feels lightweight and comfortable on your eyelids while providing long-lasting wear. How to use it: just swipe under your eyelids and blend in. It sets after 30 seconds, so there's no risk of creasing. Cool. What colour did I get? Oh, I got the Eclipse one. Okay, let's have a little swatch of it. Oh, the little dove is really cute. I really like the size of it, guys, really do. So that is what it looks like. That actually looks metallic, doesn't it? Let's just blend that out a bit. just dab it. That is so pretty. Oh, I really like that. That's gorgeous. So again, just looking at the edit card, and I've realised, yeah, there's a lot of products on the edit card. We don't have some of them products, so some of them you'll get, some of them you won't. So the next product on the card there I haven't got, so what is next? Oh, that one. The fourth product I have is this. So this is just by BirchBox, and it's a silicone face brush. Let's make that bigger because my eyesight is awful. I should be having my glasses on, never mind. It just says, here's the ideal partner to your favourite face masks. A silicone mask applicator. This applicator won't build up bacteria and will make applying face masks more hygienic and easier. Use it to apply the mask to your skin and rinse it well after use. So yeah, nice, simple and to the point. It just looks like an ordinary face mask applicator, to be honest. So let's just take it out of here. Doesn't feel fantastic quality, if I'm honest, but looks pretty enough and feels sturdy enough to get the job done. So what else can you ask for? The fifth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Marcelle, and it's a purifying mask. This clay mask addresses all concerns for oily skin by cleansing impurities, refining pores, and leaving skin with a clean, matte look. Its creamy texture prevents it from being too drying. So how to use it? Apply an even layer of the face mask to your skin and neck, avoiding the lip and eye area. Leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. It can be used once or twice a week, followed by a moisturizer and SPF. Yeah, cool. Absolutely love a face mask. I keep having awful breakouts. I think it's hormonal because it's like around my mouth area, but it's constant, absolute constant. I got my sore on my lip back again in a different place. I've got Crohn's and I get it on my lips and it's back there again. I've got it in my mouth as well. I got rid of it and it's come back, and yeah, my skin's flared up again. So awesome, fun times. So yeah, I'll have to try that purifying mask out to see if it will help with the breakout situation. Sixth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Mind Tan, and it is a coffee scrub. It just says, made with ultra hydrating sweet almond oil and macadamia oil. This vegan and sustainably sourced coffee scrub works to exfoliate, hydrate and renew dry, flaky and uneven skin to leave behind softer, smoother, more luminous skin. So hop into the shower and buff this revitalizing scrub in circular motions over your entire body. Pay special attention to dry and problem areas. Leave to dry for around about 5 minutes, then wash it away. I have used this once or twice and very good. It is very good. The bad thing is it's very bloody messy. It's so messy, it goes everywhere. So prepare yourself if you want to use it for the cleanup afterwards. But yeah, unfortunately it is nice. Unfortunately it's messy. Seventh product in the box that we have is this. So this is by the brand Wonder Beauty, and this is Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. These gold foil under eye masks use 17 amino acids along with camu extract, I have no idea, to visibly brighten, hyaluronic acid to hydrate, calendula extract to reduce puffiness, and aloe leaf extract to soothe and cool while minimizing the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. So you apply these to clean dry skin under the eyes, foil side facing up, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and disregard after use, and then gently pat your eye area. So I love eye masks, whether I'm cleaning around the house, whether I'm sitting reading a book, whether I'm editing a video. I kind of just whack them on and forget that they're there, and just they come off when I remember to take them off. But yeah, love an eye mask, and really nice brand as well. Eighth and final product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Nails Inc. And it is a nail lacquer in the shade, is that the shade? Prince Arthur Road? Yeah, Prince Arthur Road, and it is a navy blue nail varnish. Very unusual. I don't know if I would use that colour, if I'm honest, but I suppose giving it a go won't hurt. This deep blue polish is alcohol free and enriched with Nails Inc. patented regenerating complex that work to boost the production of keratin for harder, stronger, healthier nails. It's formulated to create a high shine finish that is both air and water permeable. Yeah. Can you see that okay? Can you see how blue that is? But yeah, it's navy blue. I mean, it looks beautiful. Guys, this is the August Birchbox. A bit late, but better late than never. We have 8 products in there. I think that's great. That's absolutely great. Yes, small sizes, but a lot of products, which I absolutely love. Feels like Christmas. Really interesting products, really handy products that will certainly get used. What do you think? Comment down below. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.